In this video, I am giving away a present to you. Something I don't give away every day, but it will help you to reach a lot more people in your target audience. But first, a question. Do you think you're using enough of the opportunities that video gives you for your marketing? Or could it be even better? I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing, and I help entrepreneurs like you to create videos that are easy and fun to make and help them reach a lot of new people and their future clients. What I wish for you in the new year is that because of your videos, the people in your target group feel like they know you, so they immediately think of you when they need you. I wish for you that you will be top of mind for them. What I've discovered over the past year is that starting something new is always exciting, and it makes you feel a bit anxious because you don't know how it's going to work out. That's if you start making good videos and putting them online for your business. But it's also for me because I just started a brand new English YouTube channel this last year, and I had to start from the beginning again. If you recognize that, then I have a gift for you that will help you. I am giving you my book, The Little Black Book of Video Marketing, with 7 easy to follow, great scripts for your videos. The book is available for a limited time, only until January 1st. So download it quick, follow the link with this video, and you can start writing scripts and creating videos easily as soon as possible. So enjoy the holidays, and I'll see you next year.